in the R8 and then, oh wait, shit, no, you can't.
What's this?
That's good, Sonny. What are you doing here, you?
Homework. Bro, I keep forgetting.
This brew left to America, came back wearing brand. I came back with a different bag. Oh, yeah.
Forex trader, bro.
You know what changes color? Like, once you put a light or something, yeah, that shit, man. I put that shit out. Come on. That's what you say.
Oh, these are the Forex traders from... I forgot. They even have the RS8 like Ghost. Niggas are people hate on Ghost Studio, but Ghost Studio is motion, bro. And it shows with the hard work he put in there. Ghost is motion, though, online.
Can you please just take a pic, just one?
Shout out.
Oh, okay. So this police. Thank you.
Let's go to be known. POV, yeah, go shoot me.
Sima is not even looking at the people.
Hey, the people in the bank. The bank is
Yo, there's even a Porsche.
I'm learning.
You're learning how to ride a bike.
It's my first time.
You beat me in a race.
Sorry?
You beat me in a race.
Which car was the nigga driving 10,000 gone?
The M4 as well.
Oh, I think I know this guy.
I want my revenge. I'm nice, you? For sure. Good to see you, too, my G. Amen. Hey, superstar. What do you think of that?
It's like Sima is irritated to be there, dog.
I'm joking. But
Oh,
anyway,
yeah.
how's the experience so far with the cars?
Hey, you guys are crazy.
Guys, I wanted to buy this car, bro. Porsche 911, right? And Sima, what did you say to me? It looks like what?
Looks like a frog.
It looks like a frog.
And then I'm scared of frogs.
What's that called? Hey, yo, so I bet, guys, we just landed. There's a whole lot of cars, it's too much. Whole lot of people. Yeah!
This one is for the big people, bro.
These are the vibes. And I think there's like races going on that side, so we're gonna go beat them. And then Sima's gonna hop in the R8, and then, oh wait, shit, no, you can't be doing that.
Look at it.
I can't be doing that.
Yeah, I'm afraid of boy.
Sure, go ahead.
Sure, but
It's crazy.
Sima
They just broke up, dog.
racing the R8.
Like, their relationship is very
Yeah, you're gonna drive. I trust you.
them.
Yeah?
It's very them.
I wanna get this car. No? You don't like it?
M4 competition. Now, the M4 competition looks amazing, bro.
The
Online.
yellow Porsche. You like it? You don't like it? No. Nah. Damn, that's crazy. This is why you must never let your hand.
Yo, what's up, Type She? What's up, bro? You good?
But you must never let your friends pick like how you drive.
Wait, let me do this. Are you good, Type She?
Oh my word. GT2 RS.
What's up, Type She?
GT2 RS.
GT2 RS.
Mad. GT2 RS is mad, bro. What? Nah, this is crazy, bro. That's actually a crazy car. No cap. What's wrong?
Strong engine.
Engine. Oh. Alright. It's my twin ski. I just left mine at home. But what a car. What a car. M4. Whole lot of M action right here. Damn. Jeez. 488 GTB. 488 GTB, guys. What a beauty. I think a lot about going Rory.
Ferrari is too much. I'm not 28,000. I appreciate that shit good, bro. I'm doing amazing, bro.
go Lambo Joe once. You guys please let me know in the comment section. But yo,
I'm going amazing type shit.
it's too much. It's too much.
Wait, can you guys on Twitch? Is everything proper right now?
The B10 guys. Course.
There's a RS8.
We have SRT lane here. SRT lane, how did you come to South A? Has SRT lane decided to come to South A and now it's lit? Yes.
GT3 Porsche.
Yo, what's good? What's up? You nice?
How do I even repeat that? GT3 Porsche.
Lane decided to come to South A.
My
and now
days,
it's lit.
bro.
Yes.
This car, bruh. Bro, this car, bro. Bro, yo, bro, this car, dog. Nah, this is my first car. This is the first car that I'm gonna buy. Swear, GT3 Porsche, wow. GT3 Porsche. Nah, this car is the first car that I'm gonna buy. I swear, dog. I won't lie. This is the first car that I'm going for. This car is so amazing, bro. Ain't no way. Damn, bro.
Come on, bro. Yo,
GT3 Porsche.
You nice? Hey, late. Guys, Porsche C3 RS. I will Porsche C3.
GT3, wow.
It's cost too much. Yo,
It's
what's
too
up,
much.
bro? How you doing? Good to see you too,
That you
bro.
could join us?
Of course. And now we outside. Yeah, Ish, what?
Where'd you park? Huh?
Nah,
You have money in it. Hey,
bro,
dog.
don't be a broke.
I'm still broke, my G. I'm still broke, bro. I don't even have R1 right now, bro. Yo, I'm too broke, dog. Wait, let me show you guys. I don't know if I can show you guys, but I'm too broke, dog. I don't even have money like that. But you know, dog, the power of manifestation. Did you hear that English? My English is back, my nigga. I went to school, I passed grade 12. The power of manifestation. If you manifest, you will receive. I don't know if you guys can understand that. If you manifest, you will receive. You see, that's why that's why I keep on saying that I'm gonna get that car. I'm gonna get it one day, wow. I'm gonna get it, dog. You're gonna see.
I'm nice. You say. You think I'm crazy? Huh? You think I'm crazy? I'll show you crazy. I'll show you crazy. Nah, this Bruce Wiley.
Wait, see, man.
Out of all the cars you've seen today, which one is like your favorite?
Okay. That's nice.
Yeah. So it's not my one. My one's
Quack. Quack. They quack him straight up. One day is one day.
Right now,
Facts.
they're pouring water for like the races to start. I don't know if I should participate in such activity. See my wait. What you say? No.
Yo, gents, I've got
no,
0 rand, bro, right now.
In the racing. Why? Okay, guys, Sima has spoken. I guess we're not doing it today. You know what I mean? Or maybe we might. Or maybe we just might. You get me?
Nah, he should do it.
What you say? Wait, what you say?
Who's this?
That's great, Sonny. What are you doing here, you?
Homework.
Oh, really? Oh, shit, that's your cousin? Damn. Alright. So what did you ask? What did you ask me right now, right? Right now, man.
She shouldn't be here, dog. She should be doing her homework. Nah, she's like his schools are closed.
Oh, shit, my bad. Yeah, I'm saying that we did. I'm on my best friend. Friendsies, squad calls.
They really think we're stupid, bro. I won't lie.
Put your chest.
My brother, solo run. Me,
You wanna go?
60.
With an RS3? Is it an S3?
RS3, R8, solo run. Me, you at 60, my brother.
Yo, come on, guys. Bro, I don't know. You see, this is why I end up racing in these spaces because I get disrespected. I get disrespected like this. You want to line up an RS3 and an Audi R8? That's crazy, bro. That's crazy.
Line it up.
That's crazy. Nah, the madam said I can't race. Well, my friend.
Bro, you see now you're coming with excuses.
Nah.
They think we're from Limpopo for those ones ever.
Yeah, they're saying they can beat me with these slow ass cars. What? Yeah.
Because
Must I go race? I thought you said no racing.
Because when you sleep there, you see there's water there.
What did you ask me?
Mara when we are bored and then the camera.
What? Nah, ask me. I'm vlogging today. What do you mean?
Why did he cut his hair?
Why did I cut my hair? For a fresh start. Like,
Nyash is
so
nyash.
guys,
Nyash is nyash. Yeah.
extremely handsome.
Nyash is nyash.
Yeah. What?
Nah, but
You think
go,
the big hair look better?
bruh. Going back home, bruh. Going back home 8 times, bro. You get kicked out, then you go back, you get kicked out. Oh, it's crazy, dog. Nah,
Yeah.
but their relationship, their thing is their thing.
Sometimes the answer to your problems is just cut your hair. You know what I'm saying? I actually peeped it. Just cut your hair and then you're gonna be nah. You know what I'm saying? Sharp, chest cup, cut all.
Lela, bruh, when I was going to school, I don't know if it's just me, but when I was in grade 12, and when things like, when I was too stressed or anything like that, because of your grade 12, we went to school every day. Yeah, baba. I think every time I would say that things are getting chai, cut my hair, cheese cup, and same time, bro. I don't lie. And it would solve everything. She wants that fake man. Ish, bruh.
Why didn't I bring the McLaren? Because it's not mine.
M4.
It's at home.
Bravas.
Eh? Bravas.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's at home.
Unan futing.
C63, Kusheshe.
Zip is on.
They're at home.
Is that?
Yeah. Guys, there's a whole lot of people that don't really
She can't even say bravas.
Okay.
Dog.
Hey.
This is a whole lot of people. Sando's on SABC 1.
She's not though.
No, I'm saying.
I won't lie.
I'm chilling.
You chilling. You doing your thing, nah? How much does make fuck, how much does how much does Lasfizo pay you a month?
Quiet. She's not answering.
No, thing is I also wanna work. So I wanna know how much like do you get paid a month so that I can like also just like work, you know what I mean?
I ain't chilling more like the
Oh, okay, I'm gonna switch up the cameras and stuff. E30 in the chat.
Kusheshe baba. Kusheshe level. Now they're down now.
Man, you understand? That's a real brew. Like, as a brew, you need to have one of those. That's all I'm gonna say. Let's go, bro.
She is a natural science. Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm vlogging. Holla at the vlog.
Ain't no way you say that. Nah, that's crazy. You natural science. You. Natural science is crazy. I won't lie. Natural science is grade 9. Nah, she's too young, dog. I won't lie. This thing is so loud, bro. Yo.
Yes. Yes, sir. What's going on with the outfit? Are you hurting us? It's the Prada love. How much is it?
This guy is wearing Prada, bro.
$450? $450. Yeah. So if you convert, we're looking at like a
5,000.
8,000. Nothing. Like change. Like change. Alright. The tee said Prada too.
Prada too, man. Yeah, the tea is about $300.
Yeah, I mean, the beanie, Prada.
Yes, sir. The beanie is about $200.
Yeah, how much is the watch? The watch, my boy, the watch.
The watch is like 30 bands, man. You know what I'm saying? It's a plane. It's a plane.
Take it easy. Come on.
The jeans. These jeans I bought at DJ Khaled store in Miami. The Vino Bear store, my nigga. Oh, that's a small
Oh.
That's like $500, my nigga. And I know you tell who took it.
Yo, yeah, I think it's Noah. Trevor. No, not Trevor. I forgot his name.
I know.
But he's also a Noah. Now this guy's up, bro.
Active. Alright, nah. I'm about to go in, bro. I'm about to go in the race. I don't know. You wanna go?
Maybe I'm gonna take you.
You wanna go?
How much trying to put on 50K?
Let's go
Nothing
50K.
less.
Let's go
Nothing
50K.
less.
Let's do it.
Shab, let me go think about it.
I go think about it. Oh,
Nah,
yes.
niggas are up.
Oh, yes.
Is this a track of ain't no way, dog? SRT. My days.
Almighty. Don't need no introduction. Come on, man.
Now the SRT look nicely. Those jeans are fake. They're fake. Yo, I don't know. Dog. Yeah, I don't know jeans. Wait, let me check. They say smoke rice. New York. WW smoke. R Smoke riseny.com. Eh, baba. I don't know, dog. I don't know if they're fake or what, but they look legit, low key. I don't wanna lie. But they look good though. Wait, I wasn't here, man. It's racing.
Guys, we organize a helmet. We're about to go in. Of course, safety first, of course. You know what I mean?
Safety first.
Safety first.
Guys, I'm gonna tell you M2 I'm lebang tingele yona by the way.
Anyways, guys, we're about to go in, but let's go in. Let's see what the V10 is saying for real.
Just give me like a few seconds, man.
Away. Yo, what's good, guys? So this is my second official race. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna see what's going on with the race level. We're gonna see. We're gonna see what's going on with the race level. Last time I raced with the Porsche and they beat me. So today I can't allow it. I won't lie. I can't allow a loss. There's no ways. But yeah, they're just setting up the drone shot for you guys, and then yeah, we gonna go in and go see what's going on. Yes, sir.
Race, Baba. I wanna see if his car is hot. But it's the same car though, so it's gonna depend on. I think it's the same car.
See who steps up. Sir. Easy. Welcome. Guys, white girls are crushing them. They don't know that I'm a Merera. Yes, sir.
Oh, Sabah.
Excellent. Are you gonna race? Yeah, I'm about to go in. Yeah.
Yo, gents, GG's, I'm about to, like, after this, calling it a day.
Yeah, you see, now I have to represent. Away, boy.
I wonder which car is he racing though. Go slowly live.
We are about to get active. Oh no. I won't lie. There's that adrenaline rush. A bit, you know what I'm saying? I feel like Dominic Toretto. Dominic Toretto level.
Nah, he's
What are you saying?
Why don't you race with Jason?
He doesn't want the smoke.
I wonder who is he racing right now.
Away.
You know these gents have money to rent cars, but they can't buy them. Facts, bro. Nah, this guy's rented a lot of cars, bro.
Easy.
This guy's rented a lot of cars.
Studio, let's. Talking about sports mode performance.
Sports mode. Yo.
Performance. Talking about sports mode. Time for sports mode is finished.
S-ranked cars, baba. Yeah, man, let's race,
So
man.
mess with me if I lose.
If you lose, you're taking us to that 10K.
That's crazy. We start where? You wanna start somewhere now? Yeah?
And then.
Wait, let's do it.
Okay, sir. Let me get a helmet. We need a second helmet.
Wait, do you have a
helmet? Yeah.
He's racing a bad Mercedes, dog. Nah, it's GG's, he won. Yo, look at the distance.
wait, what's good, guys? So, W using the track. First race, W. I'm gonna take on the M4 now.
He won. First race, he won. He's taking on the M4 competition. Yo, that's crazy.
Matt Black, is there
Yes, sir. Now I have to put him in a body bag. Like now that I won.
Hey, bruh.
Guys, 2 W's.
I I feel like wait, the jumpstart for the RS8 is like greater than the other ones. I won't lie.
Yeah, guys, two
Put in a
W's.
Porsche
W's in the chat. W's in the
GTR3,
comment section, bro. Just
GT3,
W
not
codes.
GTR,
You know what I'm saying? Just for
GT3.
the boy being a winner for real, dog. Okay, so guys, Sima said if I lose the race, then she won't mess with me. But then like now that I won 2 races. What do you think?
What's the reaction?
What's the reaction?
I was screaming, did you hear me? But then you closed the door. I didn't open the window.
What are you screaming?
I was like,
You might not boyfriend.
yeah, sometimes.
When is a good guy? What do you mean? What is a good guy? What do you mean?
Let me tell you, ladies out there, if you're looking for him, watch out.
Yo, what? You guys never know my conversation.
You give me their house sorry.
Ah, wait, you're saying? Ladies,
Ladies, if you're looking and you're trying to get him, watch out.
watch out.
Trying to keep him to yourself, huh?
Yeah, that's what she did. She did.
They're fake together,
Which
man.
one is that one? You apparently look composed to you when?
Mal.
Huh? Never!
That's why you don't pack up.
There's a footing ball. Crazy. Guys, ever since she's single, she's been dancing a lot. This one, eh? I don't know.
She's
guys.
happy
I think-
without you, my
I think
G.
her being single makes sense.
She's waiting for a nigga like me. I won't lie.